Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this desk from IKEA. So in the first step we're going to lay down this board in this orientation and make sure we're using these short cam screws. They're not the long ones with the gray plastic on them, they're the short metal ones. So you want to make sure these cam screws are nice and flush like that. Don't over sink them. This is important. You won't get the cam locks in there later if they're not flush. So next we're going to get this piece of board in this orientation and one of these drawer slides. So pay attention to which way the arrow is facing. We want it just like this. And then we're going to use two of these small little screws. Now we'll rotate the board over. And we're going to put one on this side with the arrow facing the same direction. This is what it should look like at this point. Now we'll get this stuff out of the way and we'll put the board back down. Two dowel pins, and then we put that board in that direction, and we're going to put two cam locks. Next we're going to work on the sideboards. Let's lay them down in this orientation. And then we'll take two of the drawer slides and we're going to attach them to those. Pay attention to the arrows. Your drawers are not going to work if you put those on backwards. And same small screws. That's an IKEA daybed beside me there. I just finished assembling that as well. You can check out my videos in my collection. Okay, now let's lay these out like this. Pay attention to this board. There's holes in one side and not the other edge. And we're going to put the half hinge on there. There's a tiny little arrow on there. There it is, right there. Make sure it's facing the edge that does not have the holes, just like that. So the arrows are pointing at us right now. Push those in firmly and we can tighten down the screws. We get some wooden dowels. and put them in the end of this board. And then we're going to attach these two boards just like this. And we'll move around to the other side and do the same thing. And don't forget the wooden dowels on both sides. All right, we're going to carefully pick this up and rotate it. We're going to carefully pick this up and put it in place, just like that. At this point it looks a bit odd, but this is how it's supposed to look. Cam locks on both sides. You can see those drawer slides, the way they're sliding right now. If yours aren't sliding that way, then you have them on backwards. Next, let's put some wooden dowels in these holes. Now, pay attention to the very last dowel that I put in. I actually put it in the wrong hole. It doesn't go there. It goes in the next one. But you'll see me switch that around in a minute. I'll point it out. So next we're going to take this piece. One side of that board has many holes, the other side does not. The side with many holes is going down, so all those wooden dowels will fit into them. Now here's where I discovered I accidentally put that wooden dowel in the wrong spot. So there, it's going in the right one now. And everything lines up there. Next step, we're going to just put one of these screws with the supplied tool right in the middle. Okay, next we're going to work on the base. So we're going to start with this large piece. You'll notice there are cuts in the metal on both sides. That needs to be up just as shown. So we're going to start on that side. Insert them, and you're going to have to bang them down fairly heavily. A rubber mallet would come in handy now. You don't want to use a regular hammer on this. You're going to bang up the metal. Then we'll put this side on. One thing to keep an eye on is you see these grooves at the top, that the groove that goes through the side is in the middle. You can see the other side. You can see the slits in it there. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you have them on the wrong side, you'll find out when you put this bar on. This bar is not going to fit in if you have those legs on the wrong sides. And if you have them on the right sides, it'll fit in very easily just like that. Alright, we're going to spin this around in the right orientation, which is just like that. And then we've got 7 of these screws. You can do these by hand with the supply tool, or you can use a power tool as I did. If you're going to use a drill, just make sure you keep the torque on low. You don't want to strip it. I have my torque set very low. Right, so now we're going to stand it up. And we'll put these in place. They'll snap into the hole when you push them down firmly. And then these. These give some extra support underneath the back of the tabletop so it doesn't sag. And that's what it should look like at this point. Now we'll work on the drawer flap for the back area there. We're going to put the hinges on. Doesn't matter which one goes where, they're both identical. And we're going to use 4 of these little screws, 2 on each. Okay, now we'll snap this into place. So the way these hinges work is you hook the top in and then the bottom will snap in like that. So we hook the top and then snap the bottom. Now this one was rubbing on the right, so I'm going to give that a little bit of adjustment. They were a little too close over there. So we're going to remove that board real quick so that we can access that middle screw and give it a little bit of adjustment so it doesn't rub any longer. Perfect. And then we'll put that board back in. So we've got 2 drawers to build and then we're done. Maybe you were stuck on some part of this assembly, or maybe you're about to buy this desk and wanted to see how easy it is to put together. Hopefully either way I've helped you out today, and if I have, give me a like and a follow. I would appreciate it. So we're going to take the 2 drawer fronts and we're going to put cam screws in there. And we're using the regular cam screws now. There were only the metal ones for the top of the desk. And your wooden dowels. and then we'll put the sides on. The only thing to make sure you do here is you lining up the grooves. Those grooves will hold the bottom of the drawers. And then 4 cam locks. These are the really small ones. If you have an issue with the cam locks, you can't get them in the hole or you can't get them to spin, that means those cam screws weren't fastened properly to the front of the drawers. They're either not in deep enough or you've put them in too deep. So just pull the side of the drawer back off and fix the cam screw. So pay attention to the drawer bottoms. They have those grooves in them, and that has to go in first. That fits into the front of the drawers. If you put them the other way, you're going to have an issue putting the back of the drawers on. So while you're hammering these in, make sure you're supporting this good. Hold on to it tightly. Same thing for this one. Support the drawer with your second hand while you're hammering this in. And they're done. We'll get those in place and we're almost finished. First thing is to pull the slides out. And then while you're inserting the drawer, hold the slides and slide them as far as you can into those grooves. They'll become a point where they're kind of binded, just like that. So then what I do is just push the drawer in. It's best if you use 2 hands, one on each side of the drawer. Push it all the way in and now they're in place. You do need a good firm push while you're doing this. Use 2 of these small little screws and they're going to go in those holes inside the drawers right into the metal slides and hold everything in place. You have to make sure these slides are right to the front of the drawers like that, or that screw is not going to line up. And repeat those steps on the next side. You can hold those slides while you slide the drawer in until it gets binded up. It's probably best if you use 2 hands to push those drawers in, 1 hand on each side. And hopefully I've helped you with this assembly today. Don't forget to follow.